Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video let's take off the smart handle on Toyota RAV4. So just unplug this electric cable. Okay, and if you missed how need to take off the door card, let's watch in the video what is in the right corner. Just turn it, this clip, pull out by hand, turn it this clip, pull out. So we need to take off this free. Okay, and then just popping out this clip. Okay, a very easy method, is nothing hard to do. Okay, and then need open this, and we need a flat screwdriver. So with the flat screwdriver, 2 clip holding and 1, so 3 clip holding with this position. Open, press in, turn it, and then pull the cable. Very easy, nothing hard to do, just no really have space to do it. All right, and this done, and now the handle ready to come off. Just pull and turn it out, and then let's take off this cover. Oops, behind there is a torque screwdriver. Just let, oh, very tight. Okay, untight, and then popping out this plastic, remove this rubber things, and we are done. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Bye bye.